Hello everyone. Okay, today my team want to present about problem-based exercise, which is we have three exercise in problem solving and program design and problem-based test of problem solving and program design. Okay, my teamwork. My name is Noradilah Binti Muhammad Syaril. My teamwork is Kitna, anak perempuan Sultan Sanam, and Noradilah binti Ramli. We are from class DDT 1C. Okay, in problem-based exercise 1, I present to question 1, which is the question is the sales manager at Colfax Product wants a program that allow him to enter the sale made in each two stages and the commission rates. The program should calculate and display the commission and the total sale. Write the algorithm, IPO, pseudocode and flowchart for the program and present your solution. In algorithm, enter the state 1 and state 2. Calculate the total sale by adding up the sale of both states. Calculate the commission by multiply commission rate and total sale. Display the total sale and commission. Okay, IPO. Input sale of stage 1 and sale of stage 2. Process total sale equal to sale of stage 1 sum sale of stage 2 in commission equal to total sale multiply commission rate, and the output is total sale and commission. This is pseudocode. Start. Input sale of stage 1, sale of stage 2. Total sale equal to sale of stage 1, sum sale of stage 2. Commission equal to total sale multiply discount. Print total sale and commission and end. So this is flowchart. We input the sale of stage 1 and get sale of the stage 1. Then input the sale of stage 2. Then process the commission rate and total sale, sale of stage 1 and sale of stage 2. Then get the output, which is the total sale and the commission.
In question 2, the algorithm in figure 1 should calculate and display the total price for 5 items. Tax and total price with tax by it is not working correctly. In this question, you will algorithm enter the price for the first item, second item, third item, fourth item, fifth item, and tax rate. Second, calculate the tax by multiply the sum by tax rate. And then calculate the total price with tax. And then display the total price, 5 item, total tax, total price with tax. A. Find and correct the error in the algorithm. And B. Write the IPO, pseudocode, and flowchart. Present your solution. In answer A, algorithm first enter price item 1, price item 2, price item 3, price item 4, price item 5, and tax rate. And second, calculate the sum of the price. And then calculate the total tax by multiply total price and tax rate. And then calculate total price with tax by adding total price with total tax. And lastly, display total price, total tax, and total price with tax. IPO is input price item 1, price item 2, price item 3, price item 4, price item 5, and tax rate. The process is first total price equal price item 1 plus price item 2 plus price item 3 plus price item 4 and plus price item 5. And second, total tax equal total price multiple total tax. And lastly, total price with tax equal total price plus total tax. And the output is display total price, total tax, and total price with tax. This is pseudocode with this question. First, start input number of price item 1, price item 2, price item 3, price item 4, price item 5, and tax rate. And then total price equal price item 1 plus price item 2 plus price item 3 plus price item 4 plus price item 5. And then total tax equal total price multiple tax rate. And then total price with tax equal total price plus total tax. And lastly, output total price, total tax, and total price with tax. And then, and this is flowchart. It is start and enter the price item 1, get price item 1. Enter price item 2, get the price item 2. Enter price item 3, get the price item 3. Enter the price item 4, get the price item 4. And then enter the price item 5, get the price item 5. And then enter the tax rate, get the tax rate. And next, total price is price item 1 plus price item 2 plus price item 4 plus price item 5. And next, total tax is total price multiple tax rate. And then total price with tax is total price plus total tax. And then put the total price is plus total price. And then put the total tax is total tax. Put the total price with tax is plus total price with tax.
So in question 3, okay, Pasaraya Kini wants a program to calculate to display the new price after the discount. So the algorithm will be like, first you have to enter the price item, then after that you will calculate the price after the discount, and then will display the new price. Same goes to the input process output, and this is the pseudocode, and this is the flow chart. So first you have to set the discount, how much is the discount, then after that the program runs according to the discount. Thank you. Okay, so in question 1, they already give you the algorithm where you have to read the student's name and the current date and the year of birth of the student, and then you have to count the age of the student and print the name of their name and the age, sorry. So they already give the algorithm, you have to prepare a flow chart. So this is the flow chart, and first you have to, the input you have to get is name, birth year, and the current year, and then the calculation is current year minus birth year, and then you will get it will show the name and then the age.
Okay, in problem-based exercise 2, I explain to question 2. So, the question is program that receive the current temperature as input. If the temperature is more than 38 degrees Celsius, output a message telling the user to go to hospital quickly. Otherwise, if the temperature is equal or less than 38 degrees Celsius, output a message to eat the Panadol. Otherwise, stay at home. Based on the problem given, write the pseudocode for selection control structure. In pseudocode, we choose the if-else pseudocode. So start, input current temperature. If temperature more than 38 degrees, output user go to the hospital. As temperature equal or less than 38 degrees, output stay at home and eat Panadol. And if the pseudocode.
In PPE 2, my question is 3. Given a pseudocode for while looping control structure, convert the pseudocode to do while and for looping control structure. This question gives start, set counter 1, total 0, average 0, while now equal 5. And then input number total equal total plus number, and number equal number plus 1. And then average equal total divide 5. And next output average and end. While looping is start, set counter equal 1, total equal 0 and average equal 0, and next is 2, and then input number total equal total plus number, and next number equal number plus 1, and then while, and then average equal total, and next output average and n. For looping is we start and set counter 1, total 0, and average 0, and next for no 0, no equal 5, no plus plus, and next input number total equal total plus number, and then average total divide 5, and next output average. And
In the problem-based exercise 3, I explain to question A. So the question is, a shop owner requires a program to calculate the amounts of balance to be given to a customer based on the amount of cash given to a cashier and total amount to be paid. So this is coding of the question, which is we put the float amount cash and amount paid. Then the output is enter amount cash and enter amount paid. Then the input is amount cash and amount paid. Then we get the total balance.
after we click the compiler and run button, we can get this, and then enter amount cash 118, and next enter amount paid 50, and we click the enter and we get the total balance in 113.
Okay, in question B, we are gonna visit United States next month, so you need to change RM 500 to US dollar. And one US dollar is RM 3 ringgit 58 cents. So you have to first input the RM 500, and then after that you have to divide the price you input with the price of 1 USD.
Okay, and then after we click the compiler and run button, we can get this RM 500 in US dollar is 139.665. In problem-based task, I present question 1. First, press 1. Specify the problem is design a program that determine whether a meeting room is in violation of fire law regulation regarding the maximum room capacity. Your program will ask the user to choose which meeting room they like to use and the number of people who will be attending the meeting. And next, if the program detects that people are less or equal than room capacity, the program will announce that people can hold meeting and how many additional people can attend. And lastly, if the program detects that people are more than room capacity, the program will announce that people are unable to hold meeting and how many people have to leave the room. In phase 2, analyze the problem using IPO. Input is meeting room and number of people. The process is compare the number of people is less or more than room capacity. Room capacity minus number of people, and then number of people minus room capacity. And lastly, the output is can hold the meeting or not, and number of people should be included or excluded.
So in question 1, phase 3, you have to create a program. This is the program, and once you get the input, what number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 based on the room number, and then you check whether it's like people can enter inside the room, the amount of people can enter inside the room is like eligible or not. If it's eligible, you give the positive output, and if it's not if they are not eligible, then you give the negative output. So same goes to number 2 and number 3 and number 4. If it's not number 1, you go to number 2. If it's not number 2, you go to number 3. If it's not number 3, you go to number 4. That's how it works.
In problem-based task, I explain to question 2, and the answer is phase 1, specify the problem. The Harris-Benedict equation estimates the number of calories your body needs to maintain your weight if you do not exercise, which is called metabolic rate of BMR. Then second, design a program that allows user to input his or weight in kg, height in cm, age in years, and character male and female. Third, output BMR based the appropriate sets of the specified weight, height, and age. In phase 2, analyze the problem using IPO. In input, we put weight in kg, height in cm, age in year, and gender. In process, calculate BMR using formula, which is female 10 multiply weight, sum 6.25 multiply height, and sub 5 multiply age, and sub 161. For male, 10 multiply weight, sum 6.25 multiply height, and sub 5 multiply age, and plus 5. And the output is BMR.
So first, once you start, you have to create a loop, because the program is like you have to input whether you want to end the program or not. So until that, the program will be looping again and again. So input is you have to insert your gender, whether you are a male or female. If you are a male, the program goes to a different way, and then if you are a female, the program goes to a different way. And then once you are done with the program, it will ask you whether you want to end the program or not. If yes, the program will end. If no, it will start from the beginning.